I will show you how to resolve error code 0 to 2054-0 when installing Microsoft Office 365. Let's go start. Open your browser and go to the search option and type here Uninstall Office for Support website. Open New Interface and click on Uninstall Microsoft 365. Scroll down and click Uninstall, asking for Get Help. Click Open Get Help. Yes. Waiting for few minutes. Office uninstall failed, so try to another way. Open your browser and go to the search option. Copy the link and paste here. Link added to the video description. Now download and installation the Office Plus tool. On the left side of the window, select the Toolbox section. Click the Remove button to delete the selected components. Warning: the massage sure to clean Office. Click Yes. Wait for the process to complete. Go to this PC. C drive, Program Files, Microsoft. All select and right-click on it, and delete. Click on Menu option. Back to click Program File 86. Microsoft. All select and right-click on it, and delete. Click on Menu option. Close the window. Press Windows key plus R. Type %appdata% in the open box, and then click OK. Click Microsoft under Roaming. Office. Remove this data. Again, press Windows key plus R. Type temp in the open box, and then click OK. Select all and delete. And same process applied to %temp% and prefetch and delete all. After completed, then restart your PC. Press the Windows key and type Windows Security into the search bar. Click on the Windows Security option. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. And click on Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Turn off the real-time protection. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Services into the search bar to open the Control Panel tool. Windows Defender Firewall. Click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn off the firewall and OK. Click. Open any web browser and search Office Deployment Tools in searching bar. Click Download. Then we need to go to following link, and I'm going to provide you this direct link in the description. Open any web browser and search Office Customization Tools in searching bar. Select your bit and select Office Suites product, and I choose Microsoft Office 365. Next, click to continue, and finally click on Finish. And click Export. See the new interface and select the box Office Open XML. I accept and export. Click. Create a new folder on the local C drive and choose any name. Go to the download file. Right-click on it and run as administrator. Click Yes, this one. Continue. Click. It's going to ask us where we want to store the extracted files and put them on already created folder Office. Again, go to the download file and copy configuration file and paste. Paste here already cut file. Search for command prompt and click the top result to open the console. Run as administrator. Type here cd space and creating folder location path. Press enter. Now type here following command. setup/configure configuration.xml. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.